Hello Mr Hamdin, good afternoon. In this video I will sign my answer about your text. Do you find difficulties to pronounce this initial three sound consonant cluster? Okay, the first I will answer about the difficulty. Maybe I will tell you this not too hard because I can't to spell the three of sounds, but it's not good as well. Okay, but if I always to try to speaking English with the good pronunciation, maybe later I will be better than now. So in this task you also give me example. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples for three initial consonant cluster. From the first STR for the example is street. So you can make a sentence. You can go straight ahead, and the hotel is on the corner of the street. Okay, and the next one is SPR, spray. spray can you help me to spray the tree? And the third is KU. Okay, the example is skew. People looking at the world through a skewed perspective, just like that of the sentence. And the fourth, SPL, split. Let's split for the attack. I'll go bottom, and all of you going to middle. And the last, SQ. The example is squad. And this sentence is we have a great squad in Mobile Legend. So in this video, I have answered your question. The answer is not too hard, and if I always learning about the how to spell the words by a good pronunciation, maybe I will better on the soon. Okay, thank you.